again and welcome back to our Posworx training. Today I'm going to show you on how to select a customer and how to create a new customer on Posworx. When doing a straightforward sale on Posworx, it is not necessary to select or create a customer. However, this is a good way of building your customer's database for future sales and promotions, for communications or just marketing purposes. Let's begin by logging onto our sales screen. As you all know, I have myself set up as a test user. I'm going to log in using my fingerprint reader. And here I am in the sales screen. Let's begin by scanning in a few codes using my barcode scanner. I'm going to select F5 on my keyboard and this takes me to the tender screen. This time it's a cash payment, so I'm going to select an amount. If you look on this tender screen, it says customers on the bottom. You can either select on this drop down here or you can select a shortcut F9. I'm going to select for now on the drop down and I'm going to select the search icon. I'm looking for myself, which is the test person. In the search box, you can type in your name, your surname, your mobile number, or even your email address to search for your customer. I'm going to type in my name and here I am. Click OK and here I appear on the customer box. I'm going to select F5 to conclude the sale. Now I'm going to show you on how to create a customer. Let me scan in a few items. I'm going to select F5 on my keyboard and here I am on the tender screen. This time it's a credit card payment, so I'm going to select my shortcut F2 and now I'm going to select my shortcut F9 and it takes me straight into my customers box. This time I'm going to create a customer. So on the top right hand corner it says add new here. I'm going to select add new and I'm just going to make up a person, so I'm going to select Pam Sales. We're in South Africa, so it's +27. I'm going to drop the 0 and add in a cell phone number. You can filter out as much information as you'd like. You can add in a customer's email address, their ID number, you can add in a reference, and even the salesperson. For now, I'm just entering 3 important fields, which is the name, surname, and the mobile number. I'm going to click OK, and here I appear. Pam Sales has in the customer box. I'm going to select F5 to conclude the sale. And that's how you would select a customer or create a new customer on Posworx. I hope you enjoyed that training module. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.